Yeah, default sub.
Subway, alright. Whoa! Whoa, yeah, this is pretty cool. Starting off the video. Alright. We're doing Subway over here on the screen. We're trying to do a new thing here. Hey, we're gonna do a four-way screen with new mics and everything, so you're gonna see multiple points of view. And yeah, we're doing the Subway today on Master. So this is gonna be interesting. We already did the hospital, so that was just like we didn't upload that one because we were doing testing at this one. But new look for basically our four-way split screen, so you can see everyone's point of view. So you can actually see me, what I look like in back, and what Peter looks like, everyone else. So
This is really cool. This would be great. I'm thinking escape room.
yeah, I bet you are.
This is I got an extra rage.
Well, you always want to get extra stuff because I don't know what is behind that door.
We don't know what's on the other side of that door.
But I gotta say, this is the most like cleanest place I've ever seen.
Except for the roaches. We're just running around.
You mean that's a termite?
Where's a termite?
Oh, I mean, whatever that is.
It's a roach.
You mean that thing's a roach?
The thing that was just crawling.
Alright, so here's what I need. So here's what I'm gonna do. You know what? Mom and us is gonna wait in your deep. You're gonna go in the back. And man, the back, that's where all the people die. Well, it's just zombies. It's a zombie that dropped a bunch of people? Alright.
Now I'm going to be here on this side of the railing. So the zombies come out. There we go.
Okay. Alright, ready? Alright.
That's alright. I got a pipe bomb. I'm ready to light him up.
Well, it's too bad that one's stuck up there. Alright. What's behind this door? Yeah, I gotta say, this is like kind of the most, for a subway station, this is like the most cleanest map I've ever seen. Huh. It's like, what is it like out there? Well, there's blood. I spoke too damn soon.
Alright, there's some zombies here. Get ready.
Boom. Boom. Oh, there's already a pipe bomb. Ah, they're stupid. I wonder. Oh. Man, it's dark now. I sure as hell ain't going there.
Hold on. We need to clear the area because.
What the? Where? Whoa! No. So, okay. Actually, this is good because they get stuck on those things. That's cool. Shit. Oh, hey. I didn't do shit.
Still coming.
That's why I got laser pointers on my thing. Does anyone else have the laser pointers? I don't usually use them. Not with this fucking thing, by the way.
Wait, do we need to bring our stuff?
Well, hey, I gotta scout the area. Oh, man, this place is dark as hell. Where are they coming from? It's dark as hell. I ain't sure as hell I go in there. You already said that! I think we're using that right there. Oh, they're doing it.
Who are you walking up on, bro?
I gotta say, they keep making these. Oh, hell. Oh, man, that's a horror movie waiting to happen. Oh, no. Crap.
Yeah, we need some.
Now, the guy in the back dies, but the guy in the front dies. So who goes? I'm saying in the middle.
Hold on,
the guy in the middle never
Let's
dies.
go get some bombs.
I have a word on my thing, but that's creepy. See, look at it. It's light over here. That's so creepy. This is actually like the scariest. Oh, don't tell me we're gonna actually have to go in there.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh, they're stuck in the train. Say that. That's just like blasting, bro. Oh! Oh, what the hell? Thanks for your head, man. My ass, not like I'm missing on purpose.
It's like smoky in here. It's hard to see.
Hey, didn't anybody read the don't smoke signs? Probably.
There's ammo on the other side of the train.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to shoot that.
I ain't going for that shit. What the hell is this guy doing?
What?
We gotta get you back on VR6, babe, to get you your old skin.
Alright, well there's one rage left back here at the safe house.
This is kind of Huh.
The hell?
Where?
Whatever I hear, Dave, yeah, no, you can't be a punk.
Oh, this is not so bad.
Hey man.
And you want to do and better. This is blocked. We can't get out here. Oh, do we actually have to like take the train?
That'd be cool.
Oh crap! I think we do. Yo, guys, think
Guys, there's another rage.
I got
grab stuff because I think we're gonna probably
No,
take the
there's
train.
one back at the safe house.
No, hang on, guys. Don't get on the train yet because I think we gotta actually take it.
It doesn't look like it moves.
I think it does because there's blockage ways. We can't go. I
I
can't.
mean, the wheels do look pretty stuck, right?
Let me see.
It's like stuck in snow.
Looks
Have
like
you not seen Polar Express? It can happen. Polar Express did it. This
Caribou!
shit. Oh, we gotta go this way. Where's he coming from?
Wherever the
They're
fuck he
following
wants.
you.
Okay, wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
Where is he at?
Up top, up top.
Wait a minute. Where the hell?
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
I'm dead. I had the wrong gun.
Well, I kind of jinxed that, Zura. But hey, man.
Hey, yo.
That's you.
Thank you. I hate
I'm
when it switches
thinking
your
we're-
gun and you don't want it to.
This way. Well, after you, no, Spider Noir.
Wow, this is just visually dark in here. I never seen a dark map before. Yeah, this is like
Wait a minute, I need to ammo up.
ammo up. I like it though. It reminds me of a horse. Look at that. What? Where? Brother! I see it. Oh, a tree.
Yeah, say hello to my broomstick.
You didn't use the boomstick, did you?
This way. This way.
Again? Where?
Oh my goodness! Ow, man! Oh, crap. Where we go, man?
What is the sauce?
What? What is it? Oh my goodness! I got a heal, man! Ah!
Behind you, swing step! Ah!
Let's go outside! We gotta go back. We just gotta go back outside. Let's see. Oh shit, they got up in the train.
They're in the train.
Oh man. Only got time in the train.
Man, this is scary as shit!
There's a whole bunch of
Where are they, man? Whoa!
bad idea.
They're coming down. They're coming from the top.
We need night vision.
Oh! Where? Holy crap, he's behind us! He's up! He's right there, man!
He's got a gun.
Eat that, Dan. And they won't stop. stuff do we
Hold
have?
pipe bomb. There's another pipe bomb and a rage over here, guys. Someone's come grab.
I got my favorite thing of all time. So this is where we left off before, because my parents actually discovered a glitch in the game where they transported it into a lit world. But we'll worry about that later. We'll worry about later. Yeah, whoever up there is.
Whoever's up there is.
Yeah, alright. So what they did, this is where we left off. They hopped over there. They hopped there. Fuck that shit. But yeah, I cannot speak every time I get interrupted. Damn it. Let me speak. I was in the middle of talking to the audience and y'all rude. Okay. I'm going to rephrase that again. Alright, so what they did is teleport in that platform, but they were not supposed to. They were supposed to go in here and then down there. So I'm going first now. So, yeah. And I'm out.
Oh, no, there's 2 pipe bombs over here.
And?
I got them.
Yeah, I'm out of ammo here, so... we gotta go down
Alright,
that
so
damn...
don't go to the right.
Yeah,
That
don't
little
jump off the
platform.
train. I think we need to go in the train.
Yep. And that's a firefighter engine.
Not in the game.
Huh. They surprisingly didn't bark. Wait, let me hear that.
Okay, well,
We have dogs here today, people.
guys, here's a bomb. Here's a bomb.
And there's more firefighters.
There was an accident that happened nearby, actually. Wait, what? Oh, shit, we gotta go in
There's
there.
ammo.
Oh, sweet, I need that.
Are y'all gonna bring bombs or not?
There's like 2 extras here.
I just grabbed them, but there's.
Damn it. Okay, that.
Got 2 juice boosters.
There's like a million here.
Oh my jeez, he's right. There's like 3 of them. Oh, what the hell's down there?
Oh,
I don't know
yeah.
why my
That is the sewer.
Another bomb.
like I'm not able to throw very well.
Just out front.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Maybe you should throw a bomb down there for good measure.
No, I'll go down there if you want me to. How about me and you go down there, brother? Brother, come on, brother. Take this shit. Look like this. Oh, wait. I gotta get this. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my god! What have we done? Okay. Where's the bomb? Where's the bomb? Where's the bomb?
Don't forget rocket!
Eat that shit! Holy crap, there's so many of them! Eat that son of a bitch! Come on! Eat this shit! Oh shit! Yo,
Who's hitting me?
the gunner! You can shoot from walls! Woo! What, a gunner?
That he can shoot through walls?
Yeah, the fuck is so horrible! Holy
You
shit!
good, babe?
I'm good.
You got? Oh, how about ask about the twins that just went down here?
And what through all that hell?
High five, taking one for the team. But we were covering y'all's asses.
Yeah. This bomb was covering my ass. I think we're supposed to go down here. Yeah, there's an extra juice down here, probably because of that.
Are there any extra bombs or anything?
Oh!
I got
Fuck! Oh, you look, we gotta go through. We gotta go through the tunnels. What? Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh, really quick, guys, look. We gotta go through these fucking tunnels.
That's that alien shit.
Well, it's called Subway, y'all.
Oh fuck! Someone's gonna have a pipe bomb ready. I'm going in there. Are you guys ready to go in there?
Hold on, I'm gonna see if I can jump down from here.
No, just stop. Don't do that shit. Do it the way it wants you to do it.
What did you do?
Do it the way it wants you to do, because you keep doing jumping shit.
I could've missed those.
You guys ready to go in here? Not really. Look like you lucky I got a shotgun.
You guys ready for me to come down?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Oh, where do we gotta go? Oh, come on, this is how everyone dies. Alright, so you know what? Alien, Predator, everything, Mandibles, it's even.
Okay, hold on, we got some zombies.
Oh man, I gotta crouch here.
I'm gonna watch our back.
Yeah,
You watch over their shoulders. No, say this.
I know. She's chef.
Oh, we actually got a crouch in here. That's actually interesting.
For real? Oh, infinite ammo box.
Hey,
Shit,
go
don't
back
come
in,
down
go
here.
back in the tunnel.
Yeah, one them off. Oh
Guys,
shit.
I'm staying up
Go
top
back
to
in the
watch the
tunnel.
back.
Woo! Interesting. Eat this. Ow! 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 Yes. Oh, who the hell is that?
Is there ammo out there?
Yeah, yeah. Oh hell! Not taking that chance. Any more of this, you can use it now. You want me to use that? Yes! Yes! Use it! Holy!
Not today.
Oh, I had infinite ammo. Well, hold on a second.
Come down.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, looks like we have to climb. This is the first climb.
Hold on, Trent. I want to wait for that ammo thing to come back.
Well, I'm getting both these juice right now.
Well, if we have to climb, then we have to go up there.
No, I jumped. I did this. We gotta go this way.
Yeah, I can't jump up there.
No, this way.
I know.
Oh, okay. I'm getting that just for extra ammo. Alright, if you guys are ready to go, the hell, let's go.
Man, look at all this trash.
Whoa.
Oh.
Oh, pipe bomb guy.
I'll take it.
Where did he go?
Oh, wait. Who's got a bomb? There's the, Skinner.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. I did the challenge. I'm wearing blue. He is not relevant, but I'll shoot his ass though.
But, I think we're underneath Hollywood.
Yay! Woo! We gotta go for these trains. I gotta say, I like this map a lot.
I'm going back.
They're coming to your left.
Yeah. Oh.
Cops everywhere. God damn, they're gonna jump on you. I'm trying to cover, but there's a lot.
Jeez away! Aim for their heads or explode for a reason. Woo! You get a shotgun blast, you get one, and you get one. Bodies, dead bodies, bruh.
Put the body to the floor.
I was thinking that, too.
You know what? Hold on. I'm gonna go back with Diedrich and get some ammo.
Okay, there's an ammo can here, too.
Okay, but
We're getting the infinite ammo. Alright, I'm not gonna be a punk. I'm right behind you guys.
Oh, he's got something.
But I guarantee it's a death fucking trap.
Oh wow, I don't even know where we're going. Like,
Yeah, where the hell?
Yeah, that's a red floppy, I'm getting it.
Alright. You know, it will come useful for my shotgun in the future. Because I don't have everything yet. Wait, where's the hell's the safe room?
Yeah!
exactly.
We haven't hit that yet.
Alright, I got a shotgun now.
What the hell? Recording. Behind us! They're all behind us! They're all around us! Perfect! Yeah!
More. Here they come.
Right behind you.
You better not eat or whine on these assholes! Oh, man! Look at that! Oh! You know that. Too. Alright, pressing forward. There's a purple floppy. We don't need that though. And this is endless. What was that up there? Okay, I'm going down here. Alright, cover me. Oh, come on. How many mazes are in this place?
I know.
This is like endless on beyond endless of mazes. I can see the development that took a while to put this place. It's beautiful.
Why does he have a purple one? The purple ones are shit.
So I'm assuming there's not really safe houses. There's just this stuff. Because
Should I come?
Yeah, you should come.
yeah, actually there's stuff in here. We got.
Juice boosters. Anybody needs healing?
Yeah, I'm kind of low.
I got. Ooh, right here. That one. Oh, look at that. There's like 2 pipe bombs right here. So yeah, I don't think there's safe houses. There's just this.
Yeah.
That's actually a good way. It's different. So
That's like some of this shit.
I'm actually gonna hold. Alright, we'll carry it. I'm actually carrying this warhead because I'm the one that's watched it.
I'll carry that.
Well, that's the exit for sure.
I can carry something, guys.
Okay. Little
Here,
floppy one.
give me that juice. I'll carry that.
Use the force, D. Alright. I am.
Danny,
I'll
you
come
want
back
that?
in
You want that disc, Danny, or no?
Nah, not the purple one.
Okay.
We got some zombies here.
Oh my god, fall retreat in that room! Fall retreat in that room! Fall retreat in that room!
Ryan.
Did I do it?
Good.
Damn,
Nice job.
Where's the stuff?
Well, I'm going back in that room with it.
Oh, shit.
Wow, that's pretty shitty. This reminds me of that one level of Lego Batman Beyond Gotham.
What?
They're behind us.
Oh!
They're behind. Oh shit! They're behind me. Where's the safe house?
Oh. They're not over here!
No, on the other side.
There's a jerk
Oh my
on
god. They're everywhere.
I got the juggernaut.
Why did I drop that? Oh no, dude! Gotta go raid.
Holy shit!
Whoa!
Somebody shoot! Oh my god, they're all in the same house.
Oh my god! No, my boy!
How did he get the fuck in here?
Another wave coming.
Oh.
Wait, what?
I went outside! Yeah, hey Bob, you might not be wrong. We're staying the fuck in here.
Wait, where are
Ah, they got me.
Maya!
Raise yourselves!
I just got overwhelmed. There's a juice booster here.
I'd say where the fuck the ammo is.
I can't juice myself. What the hell?
Here, give it
I
to me.
got it.
Got another horse coming. We got a lot of horses coming out. Damn, I got messed up.
What? Oh shoot, whatever. We're doing a splendid job.
Thanks, Mike.
Oh my fucking god, look at this shit. This looks like an alien's nest.
Yeah, I think we hit their nest. That's the problem.
So, I really need to unplug that other base station that I plugged in.
Yeah, probably. See, oh, what's in that door?
Oh!
There's better be.
That's not good.
I think this is the boss. Maybe.
In there?
Oh, we just have
Shit, I'm fast running.
Run! Not run.
I don't like stairs.
Oh!
Man, I thought you could shine that ice.
Going upstairs.
This shotgun, man.
Ammo.
I'm telling
I think we need some juice right about now.
Wait, stay right there. Do not move. We're all gonna have to look at each other here. Alright,
Hold on, I just dropped him.
alright,
Hold on a minute, let me see about moving. Okay, I'm moving a little bit better.
alright. Going in that room over there.
I'm a
sorry. Alright, we're
Oh,
going.
you know those things from Jurassic Park.
Oh man, it's dark in there. Let's go. Whoa, what the hell?
This looks like
I think this is one of their biggest maps. I haven't seen anything. Oh hey,
in there. Something.
Alright, don't jump.
What do you mean don't jump?
Because then you can't come back. There's ammo.
Well, someone's got to set them all.
No, go get your ammo. I'm topped off.
Is there any juice boosters or anything back there?
No.
Okay. Going down. This grand finale?
probably.
Yep.
Yeah, it is.
All
What's
right.
gonna be in here is the question.
Alright, you guys ready? What's the plan? Hold on, let's scope it out.
Do we not have, I'm gonna go back and look. Is there any other,
They're
like,
gonna come up from up here.
I don't think there's any safe spot.
Yeah, I think you gotta be dead center.
Alright.
we don't have any extra bombs. We don't have any extra nothing.
Nope.
Well, I got a bomb on my thing, but
I got a warhead, but,
They're gonna come from in here too.
there comes everywhere.
Alright.
here.
I guess stay in the middle and talk to each
This
other.
is the smallest shit I've ever
Yeah.
seen.
Yeah, we're gonna.
That means it's about to get ugly. Do y'all want to just stay in the middle and all of us face a direction?
Just
Like
face.
her.
Alright. I'm gonna face.
I'll face this, because shotguns do good shit. See, this is where you bring a shotgun, people.
I'm gonna face. I'm face this way.
Alright.
I want to pick a face. I'm facing this way.
All right,
Time to
then-
face the music.
and I'm gonna face this away.
Okay. Where are you facing?
Oh, we got a brute coming.
Oh shit! There he is.
Take us down first.
Don't forget about rockets, y'all.
Hey, that was like coming over here.
Yep. Okay.
No, because you're coming from over here, guys.
No.
Now they are. Wait a minute. I figured out the pattern. Go in the spot where they're not.
Yeah.
How the hell do you figure out the pattern? This is our first time playing.
Ah, you jerk. I'm gonna die quick because I just got hit up pretty good.
Well, I got.
My guns are firing.
Oh shit!
Crap. Rocket!
Oh man!
Oh my goodness. My rocket's on fire! Come on! Oh!
Woo! Behind us!
Behind us again!
Whee! You tell me when to use that bomb!
They're coming from everywhere, y'all. Where? Who's hitting me?
Ah! Oh shit! Oh shit! shit, that's not good.
Ammo.
Get some ammo then.
Damn.
There he is. Steve, right beside you. Woo! I have
Whoa! Ah! I just got smashed. Come on, y'all, avenge me!
Oh shit, I fired out of juice.
Alright, just kill them all.
What? Woo! I killed them all!
Yo!
Yo, we survived!
Man, that was hard.
Hang on, gather up. Hang on, before we go in there. I saved the day with killing those damn chargers. Oh, and here.
Harvested their souls.
Oh, harvest the souls. Man, that was a close call too. I was about to fucking die.
That was hard because you just get overwhelmed.
Hey, you can't run. I figured out the pattern. Are we gonna go on a train ride? That'd be cool if we did. Are we moving? No, we're not. Ah, that would be cool if we did. I had a, we got choo-choo. I had a bomb left, and I had a juicer left. But the juicer, But the juicer was just in case of one of Trey or Danny died.
Oh, not Mom. That's great. That's great.
That's
That is absolutely rich.
That's fucking fucked up, bro. I'm just saying, if I'm gonna
Oh, I'm just saying, if I'm gonna save someone, it's not gonna be my mom.
It's gonna be Trey first. Yes, I got. Wait, what? Wait, MT-47.
Oh yeah, oh really? Yeah, I got right
I was
MT-47.
not frozen twice, but you know.
I wasn't frozen at. Whoa.
Let me take the
How the
apple.
hell do I get one kill away from... How?
What?
How? How am I the first one who's killed the most? That's bullshit. I have
Hey,
the most
man.
gunshots.
Hey man, that's.
That's
That's that video. So.
Yeah,
Hope you guys enjoy. You don't force it to subscribe if you don't. But yep. Peace. Everyone's logging out at the same time doing this. So bye.